Hi, I'm Wongster 1970, and these are the Moonet tough RV covers that I got from Amazon. They came vacuum packed, so they're all stuck together like this. There's supposed to be a pack of 4 in here. So let's take a look at them. Let's see how they come apart. There we go. There we go. I'm just going to let them sit out, and I'll put them on the camper trailer later. Not a lot of room back here, but I'm going to put this other one on. And then move you over this way a little bit. That should be good. Well, that'll do it for installing the tire covers on my 2002 Solaris Sunline. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.